Hallo almal, ek is Melke Venter, die voorsitter van die Guardian Angels vir 2026. The Bible reminds us in 1 Corinthians 16 verse 14, let all that you do be done in love. Hierdie vers leer ons dat liefde deel is van alles in ons lewe en wat ook ons doen, moet ons onthou, liefde is belangrik. Whenever we're in the classroom, on the sports field, with our friends, our actions should always reflect kindness, grace, compassion, and obviously love.
Good day everyone, Renee van die Kerk hierso, treasurer van the Guardian Angels. Today we are speaking about love. Love is more than an emotion, it's a choice. Dit beteken om ander met vriendelikheid, geduld en respect te kan hanteer, selfs wanneer dit moeilik is. Love is seen in the way we speak, the way we help others, and the way we make people feel valued.
Hi everyone, I'm Samantha, the Secretary of the Guardian Angels. A school built on love is a school where people feel safe, accepted and encouraged to be their best. Wanneer ons liefde kies, bou ons mekaar op in plaas daarvan om mekaar af te breek. We create a community where everyone belongs, where respect grows and where kindness becomes contagious. So let us not only speak about love, let us live it every day. Thank you.